Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another Simple Sunny tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you to make this 3-fold phone stand. And here's how it works. So you just place it like this, and you take your phone and make it lean like that. Alright, I'll learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, so let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Okay, and now fold like this, and we're just going to estimate thirds. So just fold it up so that this is equal to that. And it doesn't need to be perfect, so let's just go ahead and just eyeball it and just go ahead and make the fold. Alright, that's fold number 2. Alright, now the last fold is, let's take this fold right here. You're kind of changing into a mountain. When you do it, it's a valley at first, and then just change to a mountain. That's not considered a fold, but this is a fold. So take this fold and fold it to that fold, like this. Alright, and we are done. So here it is, our phone stand. See, just like that, isn't that cool? It's only 3 folds, and it works really well. So alright, hope you guys like that, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.